Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla and today we are going to discussing about XPath related information. And my previous video you can able to see for CSS related stuff, right? Now we are going to see here XPath related stuff, okay? For XPath, by default we saw in last video session. By default, our Cypress support only for CSS selector, not for other than that, right? Then how we can able to use for XPath in that particular CSS selector, sorry, Cypress. For this, we need to install for one plugin. Okay, if you go for here and search here, Cypress XPath plugin. Okay, automatically it will provide for plugin information here, or you can able to go for documentation purpose also here. You can able to see this package has been disappear. Now I think they are not going to support only for the 2.0.1 is the last one. Last year only they are done for now 2023. Okay, November. Based upon that, if you see, right, this is the last now they are not supporting for XPath, but old path it is supporting. Okay, old you can able to, this is the one installation one. You can go and take this particular path. Okay, comes to here and paste it here and you can able to enter. If it is supporting, then we can able to create. Now it is saved. Then we need to go to support and commands, and here we need to import our packages, three dots, and we need to specify reference types equal to and double quotation Cypress hyphen XPath. Okay, this is the one we can able to import and save it. Okay, now the similar format how CSS selector is working, right? The similar format XPath also work, and XPath also we can able to take different approaches. When we can able to go for different approaches for XPath, how many ways we can able to take the XPath? See, XPath you can whenever you can go to here. If you comes to down, if you inspect this particular element, in case there is no name, there is no ID and there is no something, and that moment if there is an alternative things are presented, that moment we can able to take. What is the syntax of XPath creation? Two forward slash tag name and square braces. We need to specify at the rate and we need to specify for attribute, and then we need to provide for equal and double quotation attribute value and close. This is a one is a syntax, is a simple syntax. In this XPath also there are two ways we have. One is relative XPath and absolute XPath. Okay, these are the two things. What is relative XPath? What is the absolute XPath? Okay, main question it is in an interview. They will ask you a question also. Relative XPath is nothing but what exactly the element is presented, that particular element path we are going to take. That is called absolute relative XPath. Absolute XPath is not starting to ending position where we are pointing. Up to that we are going to take. That is called absolute XPath. I'll show you here. If you go here and you need to right click and copy, okay, and come down, there is a full XPath and copy XPath. Full XPath and copy XPath. Now I'm going to copy the XPath. Okay, coming to here and I'm pasting here. You can see this is called relative XPath. Exactly the pointing that particular tag and ID and the value. This is an attribute and this is a attribute value. This is a tag indication. If you don't know the tag name, which is input or dev or span something, then you can able to specify the star symbol. If you know exactly the tag name, then you can specify the tag name itself. Okay. Now I'm going to here again and right click and copy full XPath. Now I'm going to copying here, pasting here. Now you can see is a HTML tag, is a top position. This is a HTML, and you can see body. And next is body. This particular one expanded, right? Now dev, first dev. Now after that there is a dev it is presented. This expanded, okay, expanded. And then after that dev 3. Now you can see third dev is expanded. 1, 2, 3. Third dev, okay. And again form is presented. You can see after third dev and there is a form expanded. And again dev in after that again 1, again 1. Okay. And if it comes to like this, you can see second dev is expanded, and inside the second dev there is a input is presented like this. This is called absolute XPath creation, and this is a relative XPath. Whether we can able to do it for this particular using this XPath, we can able to set the value or not. Yes, we can able to see. Okay. Describe. I'm going to create the suit and colons. This is a XPath demo. I'm going to create for function. Okay, now it block. This it block is a test case for the test case for demo XPath. And again I'm going to create for my suit. Now here cy dot a visit, and then inside that I'm going to use for https colon double forward slash www dot google.com. This is a common URL, that's why I'm going to type directly dot a get. If you are going to get and a single quotation, if you are paste it here and type value and if you provide Lokesh. Okay, so now whether it will work or not, definitely it will not work because get is automatically it will support for CSS as selector only. It will not support for XPath related. We'll see for now. Open for npx Cypress, open and enter. We'll see now whether we are able to see or not. Now Chrome I'm going to start. Now XPath. Now it is, see, now it is failed because it is expression double forward slash star and this is not expected value. Okay, that's why it is got failed. Okay, now how we can able to rectify? For this we can able to use it here XPath. Okay, XPath is the one we can able to use it. And for this we need to use for required supports XPath. Okay. That plugin is not working. Okay, then we need to use for XPath. This is the one. Okay, same XPath we are pasted. Save again. Goes to here. Now it is working. Okay, but we are done for in command location. This is the one, but it is not referring as expected this particular one. But we can able to do it. Now copy this one and paste it here. Save and also save. We can see now. Yeah, now also it is working. Okay, you can able to like a universal type on right in the command. If you paste it here, right, required things are importing. Without importing all the places, all the files, we can able to single place like a command location, we can able to copy paste. Okay, it will work for you. Okay. Now we are able to enter for name. Even you can able to comes to down and it is accepted for the particular XPath creation. Okay. This is a one approach we can able to see. And if you want to see for multi option like a logical operator is nothing but uh, and or symbol. Okay, and or symbol. If you mention for and, both should be match, or it should not be any one of them need to be match for that particular element. How we can able to do it? For the syntax of this tag name, and then we can able to specify attribute and then equal to and double quotation attribute value and then and symbol. Then again we need to specify attribute and equal to and the double quotation attribute value. This is the one we need to specify. If you want to or, you can able to specify or. Okay, this is a logical operator. And means both should be matched. Or means any one of them need to be matched. This is a very rare case, but sometimes maybe we required. Sometimes what happen? Similar format ID is presented, but different values are ID is not presented. Name attribute is presented, and also some different values are presented. Then we can able to take the name with match and some other value. Like this, we can able to take it. Okay. For this, we need to create for XPath for this. Then comes to here and control F. Okay. Now I'm going to take for here. There is a class or else I'll take for name. Okay. ID and name I'll take and control F. Then I'm going to use for here two forward slash and I'm going to use for star symbol and square braces inside that at the rate ID equal to and double quotation I'm going to specify my value. Okay. And also I'm going to use for and symbol. Okay. Name attribute at the rate name attribute equal to and a double quotation q operator. See, now both the cases are matched. In case if I'm going to use for q location, the name is name equal to q, right? I'm going to mention 1. Automatically it will fail because and cases it will need to be matched for both the cases. Then only it will capture. Otherwise it will not accept. It will fail. Okay. If both the locators are matched, then only it will say yes, this particular fields are presented for and. Okay. Now if I am going to or, now I am going to copy this path and comes to here. Now this is the one. Okay. See, tag name and locator one and value and symbol and attribute value. Okay. The similar format I'm going to do for R as well. Now R. It is showing, right? Okay. Now I'm going to mention for Q location 1, but still it is matching because any one of them need to be matched, but one this ID is matched. That's why it is highlighted still. In case if I'm going and mention for 1 here, it is not highlighted because both are not matched. If any one of them match, then it will accept. Any attribute value you need to choose for that particular locator. Then you can able to do it this logical operator. Okay, this is the one more thing. And very most important topic, that is the following sibling. Following and following sibling. Okay, and preceding sibling. These are the most important topic we have. This also I will explain you while I am explaining in a drop down. Okay, while drop down explaining time, I will explain you this following sibling and all I will explain you. Okay, I hope this entire information help for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.